Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your carrier plan and data. This ensures tethering is allowed and avoids surprises. Once done, plug in power if battery is low because hotspots drain the battery fast. Now unlock your iPhone XR and open settings, then select cellular. Make sure cellular data is on, then tap Personal Hotspot to show hotspot controls. These steps set the stage. Verify permissions and power, because if the carrier blocks tethering, you'll save time troubleshooting later. Next, you configure how devices will connect and why settings matter. Toggle allow others to join so other devices can see your network. That's the main switch. Then tap Wi-Fi password and create a secure passphrase. Use at least 8 characters and include letters and numbers so connections stay private. Decide whether to share via Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or a USB cable. Wi-Fi is simplest, USB is fastest and conserves battery. Make a note of the network name and password before proceeding. Finally, join a device. On the other device, choose your iPhone's Wi-Fi name and enter the password. Connection should establish quickly. If it doesn't, toggle the personal hotspot off and on, then restart both devices to clear temporary network glitches. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled on both ends when using those methods. If problems continue, check for carrier restrictions in cellular settings and install any iOS updates. These fixes address common issues caused by outdated carrier files or system bugs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.